tripod correct. And zoom. Cool fall leaf colors are in the backdrop as we focus test this bitch. 767-300. I always like to start with the heavy. It's always like saying the blessing before a meal. Good looking. Rarely get them from this angle, but I got some time to kill. I'm in the mood for something cool. And plop and switch. Continental E-Jet, much better than an AirTran 717 in my opinion. It's just because I'm not overexposed to them. But, you know, take it. We all have our own regional dialects and tastes and airlines and blah blah blah. So for me, anything that's a non-Delta is a big bonus. Scheme sucks and your merger's bullshit. That's right, I'm talking to you, mister. I want Colgate back. What we have here is our very first 737-900 out of focus and back in. Heat haze, stank air, and a 737-900. My very first of the Delta variety, that is. I've seen Alaska 737-900 and Continentals, but Delta is the first time I've seen it in flight. Look at it go. So I have to train myself to look for this right here. Anyway, can you see it? That extra little door right there? That's the indicator. Okay, let's see if we can straighten this out and get us up a double. Or actually, we got a double American here too. Look at that. We're going to see that A319 go up shortly. But we've got the MD-83 with American and an MD-88 with Delta. You know which one we're going to go with. See ya. Stank air. Gotta get rid of that stank air. Shake the stank air. He's down. That's Charlotte. Charlotte look is interesting. It's still an Airbus though. Can't get too excited about it. Uh-oh. That's a bad sound. Cool looking. Very good. To a very blue, cloudless sky. Very chilly out today. Very good. Bye-bye. Sky with this A319, probably headed to Charlotte. Sounds right. Well, here comes probably what will be one of the last arrivals from this side, as it appears. Well, maybe that's not the last one. Maybe this one will be the last one. But it would appear they're lining up for a pattern switch here. I came to the south in rapid response to what I saw was departures off the south runway. Thought I'd be able to make it here and see some of that action, but it turns out they're just probably switching the pattern. They were just doing that to expedite the remaining departures that were stuck out there. So that's what we got. Okay, looks like Continental E-Jet in with the fall leaves on the south side. As we prepare to switch the pattern. Still have another arrival behind him. But we got the lineup moving now. Or not moving, it's just sitting. Alright, first pattern switch takeoff is going to be a feisty one. This is 757, busted. He must be running late. Sitting around waiting for the pattern to switch. How about some all-doom avoidance, big guy? You want to get out of here fast, let's rotate. I'm not set up for the avoidance. Oh, there's a spider on my camera strap. Very small one, but he's got my attention. Not this 757 shit. Let's pay attention. Tripod's now set up appropriately. And wall of doom avoidance. Bye-bye. Sleepy first class. Sleepy airplane. Damn, you guys. God. Got a bunch of lazy bastards in your cabin there, guys. We've just lost a ton of daytime and sunlight to that stupid time change. I think that people would want to get as much exposure to the light as possible. So it's good for morale. Alright, second pattern switch takeoff because I was bored with staying. Pivot step. Alright, Mang. We'll see you later. Okay, this is how we kick off the noon. It is now high noon. High noon here in Atlanta. And these gents are going to push this China Airlines cargo 747 to its limits as they avoid the wall of doom for me. Not too concerned about that. Good job. Let's go, China Airlines cargo. Okay, about time to rotate here, man. Make me nervous. Oh boy. Cutting it kind of close. No, we're good. Just barely though. Into the cloudless sky. The most dependable cargo carrier Atlanta has to offer. China Airlines cargo. Ooh, a Savi's taking off. Can I transfer responsibility from American to the South 340? We'll find out next. It's good looking, real sharp, real pretty. I love that shot. Transfer responsibility, need you to touch. And... kicking the tripod probably ruined that, but... do my best. Bye, Savi. Well, this is a sight for sore eyes. Battleship gray with Caucasian nose. It's like a pretty good crop of people there. Pretty good. Okay, let's get it straight. Scanning the skies. I also sense that somebody is close by. Don't want to be too rambunctious. Be taken for a local Looney Tune. Good job, Battleship Gray with the Caucasian nose. You look good up against the fall tree line. Enjoy it. This likes to build up all the anticipation. And finally roll it. Here we go, now we're rolling. Good job, thank you for the expedited departure. I've given up any hope of avoiding the WOD on the Narita-bound Delta 74. See where it's going to take me again. KAL is running freaking tardier than hell. How are you, KAL? I'm sorry, I shouldn't be looking for KAL while I'm doing 2905. That's nasty. Completely swallowed up. Let's take this opportunity to scan. Where in the hell is that tail? Damn it! Where are you, KAL? Okay. Good work, good work. KAL is being trailed by 3 angry 717s. Look at those guys, they look pissed. What'd y'all do? What'd you do to make them so mad? Alright. As has been the custom in recent months and days. Hey, is that a heads-up display? Cool. We will observe this crew as they prepare to fly to Incheon. Good, that actually looks really cool. Cool. KAL. Oh, we should get the upper road too, and oh, let's just back it out. Wasn't the best idea. Well planned anyway. Alright, WOD avoidance is what we seek on this day. I perfected it last time. Can we perfect it again? Not sure I'm quite as far back as I was last time, however, so this may be a WOD interference session, but I don't really care. I'm tired. Stayed up too late. Hey, now there's a WOD avoidance rotation. Come on, baby. He's just so big, I don't think he can help it right there. His wing got snipped, but hey, I do appreciate it. You guys fly safe now. Oh my, so pretty. Crabby. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, exactly. See, isn't that cool? Flies to the moon. And turn around. Here we go. Woohoo! Look, see, look behind you. Pretty cool. Here he comes, Dee. Here he comes. We got another 767 back here somewhere. Yeah, look at that silver body. Struggling with that wind. And woohoo! Watch out, get in the okay. There we go, we got it. Good job. He's fighting that crosswind, fighting it. Probably pretty fucking turbulent up there right now. There he is. Woo! We're coming at you live from the Diplomats Club where the wind is beating the shit out of me. It's cold. Oh, cool. Big gust for this A330. Bigger gust. We are currently waiting on FedEx Flight 502 today. He's bringing in a 767-300. That's our goal. Up quick. Gear up, flying sideways a little bit. Oh, see ya. C5 going into Dobbins. At the Dobbins Air Force Base. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Way out there. Here we go. It's always a pleasure. Nice. Good job, Alaska. FedEx 767. Don't see this too often, do you? Well, this is our target. I'm going to get some traffic for the next hour trying to get home. At least it will be warm. So cold!